A wrong connector can stop an entire production line. That's why M12 connectors have become the preferred choice in industrial automation. M12 connectors offer secure locking, vibration resistance, and waterproof protection for demanding environments. Available from 2 to 17 pins, M12 connectors support a wide range of industrial applications. Coding systems prevent mismatching. A code is used for sensors, while D code and X code support industrial Ethernet. Typical applications include factory automation, robotics, machine vision, and smart manufacturing. M8 connectors suit compact devices, while M12 connectors provide greater durability and flexibility. NAVITAS provides custom cable assemblies, including overmolding, waterproof designs, and custom pin assignments. Need a custom M12 or EM8 cable assembly? Contact NAVITAS and discuss your next project with our team.